An urgent warning this evening to mental health professionals that unchecked bias in the therapy room could be doing more harm than healing. One expert is cautioning that when personal beliefs override clinical care, vulnerable patients pay the price. Sandy Williams reports.
In a society where spirituality often shapes how people interpret their struggles, experts say mental health professionals must tread carefully. Licensed clinical social worker Dr. Chalise Atavia Brown is sounding the alarm, stressing that clinicians must not allow personal beliefs to interfere with patient care.
There has to be a balance with both, right? Because in order to fully understand what is spiritually impacting a person and what's mentally impacting them, it requires having a conversation and asking and exploring more questions.
Dr. Brown explains that understanding comes from careful listening and probing beyond assumptions. But when bias creeps in, that process can break down. Patients may be misdiagnosed, their symptoms misunderstood, or worse, dismissed entirely.
One, you have to check your own biases because, like I mentioned in the presentation, spirituality is a broad spectrum. So you have to understand what part of the spectrum you fall under. So for my presentation, as a clinician, I fall under the spectrum of Christianity, but that doesn't limit me to only connect spiritually with clients only from a Christian context.
Dr. Brown, who identifies within Christianity, says clinicians must never impose their beliefs on clients, especially in a diverse society. Failure to do so, she warns, can lead to delayed treatment, worsening mental health conditions, and a breakdown of trust between patient and provider. Some clients, she adds, may withdraw completely, while others may turn away from professional help altogether.
So it's about having the conversation, meeting the client where they're at, just so that they feel comfortable to open up.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.